In yet another incident that had occurred at about 8 a.m. of the 20th of October, a vehicle bearing registration number AS11G7819 that had come from Silchar on reaching UMTYRNAH village on the Shillong bypass highway had rammed into a truck bearing registration number NL01AA9137. This resulted in the death of one person who was identified as AZAZ RAHMANI of KARKMGANJ, Assam, while his co-passenger bore serious injuries. The body of the deceased and the injured were taken to the Nongpoh Civil Hospital. In the meantime, investigation into the matter is ongoing.